like this, you subscribe it, you comment if you're the young ones too in the YouTuber world. We gotta support all of us, you know. You subscribe, I subscribe, I like, you like, I like, and so on and so forth. Okay, so today is the memory box. Well, memory jar. So when it comes to a memory jar, you have the jar because it's a memory jar. And what you do is you're going to decorate it, and the person that receives this is going to have every single time there's a good thing throughout the year, you put it in the memory jar. Ooh. This is for my Secret Santa that I'm trying to DIY pretty much everything. So I did dishwash this because I got it at the Goodwill. The Goodwill half off Saturday sale. It's every 2 weeks. And everything else that I'm, except this, everything else is from the dollar store. So I have, oh, and this is not from the dollar store, but I have my candle going to get my rhythm up. I love my candle. So I'm gonna just put this on a quick, actually, you know what? Screw it. Let's just get down to it. So her house is very rustic. Her new house. So I have these. I used these in my previous video, but with this, all of her gifts that I'll show you in a few have this on it. And so my idea for this was I had gotten a bunch of different ribbons, but I'm not going to use the gold, I'm not going to use the purple, and then I have black, and then I have white, but I want to put it around here, so that does not fit. Does this fit? Woo! Let's see. Perfectly. So, oops. What else do I want to do with this? Alrighty. So the basis that I want to do is, okay, I have an idea. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna do this, keeping it simple because I'm going to decorate the inside. So with this, it's gonna be a pain in the butt because I have a ton of super glue already on my hands. It's very pleasant. So I got this also at the Dollar Tree. All of the stuff is from the Dollar Tree except the jar. So you're going to put it in here and then try to match it. So right here. Alrighty. And we're going to super glue this. And I'm gonna just show you the basics for a moment, and then I'm gonna put it on a brief pause like I usually do. So you just put like it on the side. Whoops. And you just hold it down like so with the super glue. And then it sticks. So you kind of want to do this like all over, just because it is, I've used a lot of super glue. Alrighty, don't mind my tummy, I'm just healthy. And I like food, so don't judge me even more so. Okay. Try not to use your hands with this because it does hurt. It does hurt. Trying to get it off. Okay. So it's not fully dry, but be careful. You don't want to rip it off. I use my candle lighter. Okay, almost done with this. So I'm gonna put it on a hold and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's getting there. And then what I want to do is fail. I'm going to just put you down here. So I have this in here because I'm going to put off in here. And then I'm going to let's see. Yeah. Again with these. Actually, I kind of like that it's like this. So I could always just super glue it. Ooh. I'm gonna just keep it like that, keeping it stupidly simple, and let's put, yeah, change of idea. Ugh. So, let's see. I have a good idea. So pretty much what a memory jar is you just create something for another person. still enjoy it. I just don't know what idea I want to do. Because I got these little diamonds that I wanted to possibly use, but it doesn't go with the rustic look. I got these little pebble things, but I don't like that. They're like a purple though. Yeah, they're purple. You know what? Simple is good, actually. Then this could be my memory jar. You know what? I kind of like it simple. So you can pretty much. So when it comes to this, you can pretty much either go crazy with it or just go simple. She seems like a simple lady, so I'm gonna put this on pause, show you exactly all my DIY stuffs with all dollar store and one Target item. One moment. Alrighty, so when it comes to this, a lot of people say that Christmas shopping is so expensive, such a hassle, blah 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 blah. Well, I created 7 gifts from the dollar store, Goodwill 50% off sale, and 2 Target items that were $3 and one was $7. So I created all of this, just not this. So let me explain. So with this, I got this at Target. It just had regular wood. See, it was regular wood. So I put the diamonds on there, and my coworker created that. Then when it comes to this was at the dollar store. DIY'd this and created a bookmark with it. Created a bookmark. It was just this ribbon, and I flipped it over. And it works perfectly. She just moved into a new house, so yeah. And then when it comes to the length, it is absolutely perfect. Look at that. Well, yep. And then this is the memory jar. It goes with this whole theme. This was for her new house. So these 5 are my Secret Santa's gifts. This whole thing total was $20. Yeah, I did it. And so then this 50% off sale. It was like $1. Everything in here was $1. 50% off. 50% off, $1. So 7 total gifts. People hate Christmas shopping, but why not DIY? I'm so proud of myself. And now I have a giant mess. But now I have extras for more DIY tutorials. Alrighty guys, there's my 2 videos for the day for Christmas shopping and DIYs, and that the dollar store saves a crap ton. I have to get ready for a Christmas party for my work, but I adore you guys. I do hope you have a beautiful day, beautiful holiday, beautiful everything. Like it, subscribe it, comment if you're a newbie. Newbies need to stick together. So if you say that you are new, I like it. I'll watch your videos, I'll subscribe to it, you know, all of that jazz. If you could do the same for me, I'd really appreciate it. I'm only at 20 followers right now, and it makes me so sad, and my makeup is so bad. But Zelda and I need you. And don't judge my bedroom. Not my bedroom. My makeup room. The DIY. It really got to me. And then Christmas wrapping. But I adore you guys. Love you.